Okay, hope you're okay today. I've got something a bit special for you today. This is a Vivia Python tote bag. It's Vivia Ferragamo, as in Salvatore's granddaughter. This is one from her own line. It's absolutely beautiful. To touch, it is gorgeous. You've got the gorgeous skin here, which feels beaut. And then these gorgeous handles, which is just the softest, most beautiful leather that you could imagine. So Vivia is obviously all about her trademark V, which is on these big metal studs there. It's also on the zip pulls inside, which I'll show you in a second when I show you inside. So it's a double top handle, which means you can wear it either as a shoulder or you can carry it as a tote bag. What's really nice about it is, can you see the shape there? It means that when you put it on your shoulder, it fits around really comfortably. So it feels really snug, really comfortable to hold. It's a really clever design. This is the kind of size of the bag. The exact measurements are on the website, so just to give you an idea. I am about a size 8'10", I'm about 5'4". Okay, so it comes with the Vivia dust bag. So we've got this beautiful burgundy piping that goes around the bag. On the front, this leather has behind it a pocket, and it's got a magnetic press stud fasten, and then you can see in there. The lining is the V again for Vivia, and it's same lining as inside the main part of the bag, and it's like a fabric, like a wipeable fabric, which suits somebody like me down to the ground. I put all manner of things, particularly this pocket. This is where I put my snacks, lipstick, a pen. So the fact that you'll be able to wipe that quite easily is pretty cool. And then in the top, we've got another magnetic press stud fasten, and then you've got three sections: back section, this bit here, and then the front section. So this bit is zipped closure, and let's show you the V on the end of this long chain. On the back section, one zipped pocket, again, where is it? With the zip pull, with the little cute V. And then you've got the front section there as well. Okay, so the condition. We've said the exterior is good, the interior excellent, and the hardware worn. So let me talk you through why. The exterior is called good. There's nothing particularly to point out. You can just see that the bag has been used. So there are some slight signs of wear on the piping, as is often the case with a pre-owned bag. And again, the handle, you can see that it has been used. There's just some signs of wear there. Inside is excellent condition, nothing to show you there. And the hardware, we've called it worn, just because again, you can tell that the bag has been used. But a beautiful, beautiful little bag. Okay, so we have a link to this. If you go to my comments below this video, there's a link that will take you through to the website where there's this and our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. I've also put a link in the comments below to our Instagram. I don't know if you are here purely for the bags or whether you're interested in actually what's going on with Arm Candy HQ, with the team. If you're interested in that kind of thing, it might be worth coming and having a look at Instagram, because we have a bit more fun with Instagram, shall we say. Goodness, it's suddenly gone really, really bright. What else? If bags are your thing, then obviously, thank you for watching this video, but it might be an idea to subscribe to our channel. We have bags coming in all the time that we sell on our luxury pre-owned site. All of the bags have a video review that we put on here. So if bags are your thing, it might be an idea to sign up to this channel so that you get to see them all. And if discounts are your thing, then it's a good idea to sign up to our newsletter. You sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. You sign up for that on the website. So if you go to comments below, hit the link to the website, and then you'll be able to sign up. You'll either get a pop-up and you can fill your deets in there, or you can scroll to the bottom of any page, put your details, and then we'll send you your discount code.